A robot just lost its head. Literally. It kept fighting anyway. This is how it got there. Let's rewind. Because that robot didn't start in a fighting cage. It started on a factory floor in Shenzhen. In May 2026, EngineAI switched on its intelligent manufacturing base. Not a lab, not a workshop with a few engineers hand-building prototypes one at a time. A real production line, running around the clock. Every 15 minutes, one finished T800 humanoid robot rolls off that line. Before it ships, it survives 79 separate quality checks. Then 46 simulated real-world tests. The kind of stress a robot meets on a job site, a stage, or eventually, in a fight. Upgrades to the line already pushed production efficiency up by 40%, and EngineAI says that number keeps climbing. Raw materials go in one end. A finished, walking, working humanoid comes out the other. Assembly, testing, packaging, delivery. EngineAI now owns every step of that chain, instead of farming pieces out to other suppliers the way most robotics startups still do. Rows of finished units stand ready on the floor, waiting to leave. Annual capacity in the tens of thousands isn't a number on a pitch deck anymore. It's already running, on this floor, right now. For years, humanoid robot meant one hand-built unit, wheeled out for a keynote, then wheeled right back into a lab until the next demo. That era just ended in Shenzhen. This factory built the machine. What happens next is what EngineAI does with it. Weeks after the factory opened, EngineAI put that machine on a plane. Destination? South Korea. STK Smart Tech Expo 2026. Crowds packed in. Phones came out. A gold T800 stepped into the ring and started moving. Punches, footwork, real balance. No CGI, no slow motion tricks, just hardware, live, in front of a room full of strangers. Then it walked the expo floor itself, past the crowd, past the cameras, down the red carpet. Like it had done this before. This was the T800's first big stage outside China, and the world was already filming. A factory line and an expo floor build a good machine. They don't build a legend. So EngineAI gave the T800 one. They call it Martial Soul. Forged in steel, awakened by martial spirit. The pitch. The T800 doesn't just copy human martial arts, it studies them. The way a student studies under a master. One form at a time, one correction at a time. In the film, the robot trains inside a traditional kung fu hall. Real masters, real students. Old forms, passed down and practiced move by move for generations. And now, a machine standing in the same room, learning the same movements, missing the same steps, trying again. Then it breaks from them. One strike lands harder than it should. Part of the hall gives way under the impact. Dust settles. The students freeze. The master just watches, silent, unreadable. The robot kneels. On screen, it asks one line. Master, can you take me as your apprentice now? This isn't a product demo anymore. It's a myth, built on purpose, in public. The same way car brands sell horsepower with a mountain road instead of a spec sheet. A robot that doesn't just move like a person, it claims to fight with something like spirit. Buy the myth or not, the message underneath it is real. EngineAI isn't just selling hardware anymore. They're building a character. And a character like that needs somewhere to prove itself. Every legend needs a league. This is the night EngineAI built one. February 2026. Two T800 units step into a cage for the first time. Not to train, not to demo, to launch something new. The crowd's electric. The stage is set. Then the reveal. A championship belt worth 10 million yuan held up under the lights. This wasn't a product launch. It was the birth of a sport. Humanoid versus humanoid, under rules for real stakes. The league had a name now. Ultimate Robot Knockout Legend. URKL had begun. Now it just needed a real fight. 5 months later, it got one. July 18th, 2026. Shenzhen's Nanshan Cultural and Sports Center. URKL debut night. CEO Zhao Tongyang takes the stage. The arena lights come up. The cage is ready. Somewhere in the crowd, cameras are already rolling. Because everyone in that room knows this isn't just a company event anymore. Then, the robots walk in. What happens next isn't choreographed. This isn't a training montage, and it isn't a cinematic short with a script and a master waiting to be impressed. This is real combat, live, judged, scored, in front of a crowd that's on its feet the entire time. And then it happens. The moment from the start of this video. A kick lands clean on the head. The joint gives. The head rocks loose, then hangs, swinging with every hit that follows. The robot doesn't stop. It keeps throwing punches, keeps trying to stand headless until its own weight finally brings it down. The winner doesn't just stand there. It throws its arms up and dances for the crowd. This is no longer a promo film shot on a soundstage. No longer an Expo demo running on a loop. No longer a myth EngineAI is telling about itself in a kung fu hall. This is the payoff. For a factory line in Shenzhen, a stage in Korea, and a kung fu hall built just to be broken. EngineAI didn't just build a humanoid robot. They built a fighter. And on the night it mattered most, in front of a crowd that came to watch it happen, that fighter kept going, even after it lost its head.